Transfer of money is one of the elements of Lime. It's, I think Rajiv tried to point out, there are many different things you can do with Lime. You can shop, and the interesting thing about this is there's a floating payment button. So you can be on any app and be doing any e-com, and you can pull Lime and pay. So you don't even have to be in Lime to necessarily pay for something that you're doing. So you can actually be getting some of the best shopping offers. So transfer, yes, is one of the elements, but that's only one of the elements. There's a lot more that Lime does.
Ma'am, will it have any impact on CASA, and do wallets kind of cannibalize on CASA deposits of banks?
So again, just as I was answering the cost question, when we've thought of Lime, we haven't come from the thought of cost, CASA, because I think, all of these are important issues in the short term. If you're trying to build a franchise for the long term, I think the only thing that succeeds is keeping the customer at the center of everything that you're trying to do. And that's what this is about. Now, if we have done it well, and if customers respond to it well, then yes, it will benefit us on cost, yes, it will benefit us on CASA, but that wasn't the thinking that went behind Lime.
Yeah, Deepika, over here. Deepika, since your face is the known face which you are endorsing a lot of products, and you always come up to support a lot of social causes as well. So whenever you just do all these things, so what are the first and foremost thing, what do you just look up for when you just come up to support a cause or endorse a product?
I think brands and then causes, they're two sort of, in a way different, but also actually in a way similar. I think that any cause that you support or any brand that you endorse, like I said earlier, has to be an extension of what you believe in and what you stand for. So I think if you look at my portfolio of brands, I think most of them will be an extension of something that I believe in or something that I stand for. Mental health is what I'm looking at from a what do you say? Yeah, from a cause point of view, I think it's mental health, and we will be launching next month. And 10th of October is World Mental Health Day, and I think that's the day we're looking at launching the foundation officially. But we'll meet separately for that, and we'll talk to you about the plans on what the foundation is looking at doing over the next couple of years.